Lorex continues to create very high-quality 4K cameras in its IP lineup. The LNE8964 is a dome-style camera and, like many Lorex cameras, is made of aerospace-grade aluminum. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors. It can be horizontally mounted with the optional hood mount S1W-A1G. Let's see how to install the camera on an exterior brick wall using the unique mounting hardware. The first step is to remove the outer dome cover in order to access the mounting holes inside. Using the supplied Torx wrench, loosen the Torx bolt securing the camera dome cover to the base. Remove the dome cover and carefully set aside. Remove the quick install wall plate on the hood mount by loosening the hex set screw. Now line up the mounting holes of the camera chassis with the wall mount. Insert the provided Allen bolts into each chassis hole and thread the hex bolt into the pre-drilled holes in the wall mount. Gently insert the camera cabling into the center recess on the mount. Place the camera on the small white sleds and rotate the camera to an approximate location. Gently place the cover over the camera chassis and tighten the Torx bolts to fasten the camera to the base. We're now ready to install the camera onto the exterior wall. A hole has been drilled in the exterior wall and the supplied Ethernet cable has been threaded through the hole on the brick. Insert 2 or more supplied anchors into the wall and secure the quick install plate to the brick wall, making sure to thread the cable through the large hole in the plate. Now attach the Ethernet cable from the camera to the supplied Ethernet cable using the Secure Connect. Gently push the bundle of cables into the mounting hood cavity and hook the camera mount onto the wall plate. Now retighten the set screw using the Allen key in order to make sure the camera is firmly attached to the mounting bracket. We can now readjust the angle the camera is pointing. Loosen the Torx screw and gently rotate the camera around, making sure to keep the motion sensor pointing down. This will keep the image oriented correctly. The LNE8964 8-megapixel sensor delivers remarkably crisp, clean images. The zoom function allows you to enlarge an image and reframe to suit specific needs. At night, the LNE8964 operates in color night vision when additional light is supplied, but can also deliver great infrared night vision. The LNE8963 from Lorex provides great images with a build quality that will deliver reliable surveillance for many years.